Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add in comments in Google Docs. We will start by opening our Google Docs document. When doing so, select the text where you will enter the comment. Now right-click there and click on Comment. After this, enter the desired comment and click on Comment. You can see that your comment has been added. As a result, the text where the comment is located will be highlighted. When you hover over the comment, you can mark it or perform some actions on it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.